With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, today our question is a particle P sliding down a frictionless hemispherical ball. It passes the point A at t0 at the instant of time. The horizontal component of its velocity is v. A bead q of the same mass as P is ejected from it at t is equals to 0 along the horizontal string AB with speed v, and the friction between the bead and the string may be neglected. So let Tp and Tq be the respective time taken by P and Q to reach the point B. Then A, this is A and B, and P is the time taken TP and TQ here, and this is C point here. So we have A, B, C, D option is given here. So we have to find the relation between TP and TQ. That is time period required taken by Q, P and Q to reach the point Q. So the solution of this question is horizontal displacement of both particle is equal. This is equal here. So we can write here of both particle is equal. Is equal here. Is equal here, and for particle Q, horizontal velocity is always equal to, for particle Q, horizontal velocity is v here, and for particle P, at the start of the motion will be accelerated 1 and causing increase in velocity here. So for particle P, we have increase in acceleration here. So acceleration increase in this case. So from this we can say that time period required by P and Q is, so time period of P is less than time period required by Q. So this is our relation between this. So now we check which option is correct here. So our option A is correct here. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.